what if we told you that a road, yes, just a highway, could double up as a military runway? Welcome to Uttar Pradesh, a state rewriting the rules of infrastructure and defense in India. With the recent addition of a dedicated airstrip on the Ganga Expressway, Uttar Pradesh has achieved a historic milestone. It is now the first state in India to host 4 operational expressway airstrips. But this isn't just about fast roads and flashy fighter jets. This is about strategic foresight, national security, and a powerful statement that India is ready for peace and for war. And India has many such airstrips that you must know about. But first, let's start with the newest jewel in the crown, Ganga Expressway. It is located in Uttar Pradesh's Shahjahanpur and is about 3.5 kilometers in length. Its unique feature is that it is equipped for night landings by Indian Air Force fighter jets. Further, it is significant in the sense that it is the first expressway airstrip in India built to handle continuous day and night military operations. This expressway is more than a transport corridor. It is a fully functional alternate runway, enabling emergency landings and quick military mobilization when it matters the most. So you must be thinking that why are highways doubling up as airstrips? Well, there are different reasons behind it. First is defense preparedness. In case of a conflict or emergencies, traditional air bases may become targets, and expressway strips serve as backups. Further, it helps in rapid response. Such highways allow IAF jets to operate from multiple points across the country, and Uttar Pradesh has become an example as it has 4 such airstrips. The next one is Agra-Lucknow Expressway. It was the first expressway in India used for IAF landings. It features a 3.2-kilometer airstrip near Unnao. A major drill in 2017 saw Mirage 2000, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, and Jaguar jets land successfully. It was built with reinforced concrete, specially engineered for high-speed military use. Then we have the Purvanchal Expressway. It was inaugurated in 2021. The airstrip length is about 3.2 kilometers in Sultanpur district. IAF jets performed live takeoffs and landings during the launch, and it was designed specifically for dual-use operations, both civilian and military. Then comes Yamuna Expressway. It connects Greater Noida to Agra and was first tested in 2015 with a successful Mirage 2000 landing. While not a permanent airstrip, it proved the viability of highway-based military runways. But you must know that India's highway airstrips are not limited to Uttar Pradesh. Let's look at key national examples. For example, the NH 925A, which is in Rajasthan. It was India's first national highway officially designated for IAF landings. It is located in Barmer district, 3.5 km stretch, and it has been used by Rafale, Jaguar, and Sukhoi Su-30 MKI aircraft. It was inaugurated in September 2021. Then comes NH-16, which is in Odisha near Balasore. It was developed for emergency military use, and it has proximity to strategic sites like Chandipur and Wheeler Island. It was part of India's growing focus on eastern defense corridors. Overall, from Shahjahanpur to Barmer, from expressways to national highways, India is building more than roads. It is laying down the foundation for rapid development and national defense.